Hey guys, how are you? This is Mr. Argueta. So you probably saw a video with the screenshot showing you how things operate. Well, this video is just an introduction to me. I think it would only be fair that if I'm forcing you to introduce yourself, that I will introduce myself as well. So wanted to give you a heads up of who I am and who will be your instructor for the summer. Some of you who already had me probably already know my story, know who I am, and I appreciate you coming back into another one of my classes. So let me get started for what I am known for. So what I am known for is I am an avid coffee drinker. Love coffee. Enjoy it. What can I tell you guys? And most of you are probably going to write back and say either I love it or I hate it. So I get that every semester. I do share a lot of coffee tips. I tell you what I do. Let me show you. Oh, going the wrong way. Here's my two coffee machines for now. I have a Nespresso, which is one of my favorite machines, and then of course the traditional K-cup. I also have an espresso machine down here, and then a French press in my closet here at work. I used to have more cups, as you could tell. This one here is from a previous student that went to El Salvador and brought me that cup with my name on it. Of course, this one you could tell I'm going the wrong way. This one here was from Ringo, the city manager gave it to me when I went for something else. This cup you see, oh, I'm on this side. This cup you see, let me just go get it. This cup's one of my favorite cups because I'm a huge avid The Office fan. So if any Office fans, you'll recognize this cup. My daughter gave it to me when she was in New York. She bought it for me because she knows I'm an avid fan of the show. But a few months ago, it broke. I haven't thrown it out because it's such a sentimental value that my daughter brought me this from The Office, and I love it. But anyhow, that's a little bit about me. Let me tell you about myself. I have a degree, MBA from Shorter University. Uh, and then prior to that, I got an undergraduate degree from Dalton State, both of them in management. Prior to those, I was a entrepreneur. I ran a couple of different businesses, from real estate to manufacturing to distribution. We owned a golf company in my lifetime, and we're originally from Chicago, Illinois. I was born and raised there to two Guatemalan parents, two parents that were from the country of Guatemala. I was the firstborn American. Proud to be that. Proud to be the first one in our family to go through the process of college and get a master's and all that good stuff. But I also am very, very proud of my two children. I have a daughter that's in UGA, finishing an undergrad in early education. She wants to be a teacher in the early years. And then I have a son that here recently decided to go to Berry. He graduates in a couple of days, actually, next week sometime or in a couple of weeks from his senior year in high school from Sonoraville High School. His name is Daniel Argueta. My daughter's Ariza Argueta. And Daniel decided to go to Berry. So he'll be going to Berry College in the fall. He's excited about that. He's going to the med pathway. So he's going to be a PA, physician assistant in the medical field. He's said that for a long time, and now it's coming to a reality. And my wife is a teacher. So she is a fourth grade teacher at City Park here in Dalton, Georgia. My office is in Dalton, but I live in Calhoun. So I drive up to work, not every day because we work from home twice a week, but most of the time I'll drive up here and do some work. What can I tell you about us? Well, I will tell you that we are going back to Chicago for a couple weeks in July. Right after the semester's over, I pack up my bags and I go back up. I visit my entire family's up there. My mom, my dad, my sisters, my grandma, everyone's still up in Chicago. So we'll go up there. For 10 years, I came down here in 2010, and for 10 years, I pastored a bilingual church in Calhoun, was the senior pastor in Calhoun for 10 years, and then I ended up getting ill, and I had to take some time off, so I sat myself down as the ministry leader, and I focused my entire time on education and getting better, of course. Um, That sums it up, guys. I love food, as you can tell. I enjoy eating good food. I enjoy eating new food. I love to taste new flavors of different cultures. So if you have those opinions and advice, man, drop them in the comments. Don't forget, every week I will post a video in your discussion as a thread. So look for my name, reply to that video, tell me about yourself, let me know. So I thought it would be only fair for me to do this video since I'm requiring you to introduce yourself. Well, this is who I am. I'm trying to see. It's not a new picture, but I was going to try to show you a picture of my family, but the last one we took was many, many years ago. My son is a lot smaller than I am in that picture, so it's not justifiable. So, in the next one, I'll show you a picture of my family, my wife, my daughter, my son, who's a lot bigger than I am now, and you know, anyhow. Um, Other than that, what else can I tell you about me? I love being involved in my community. I love being involved in this community in Dalton. I appreciate, being a part of something bigger than me. Um, I don't know what else to give you, but we'll get to know each other. I'll share more and more. In the meantime, grab a good cup of coffee. And by the way, this is one of my favorite cups. Oh man, I don't know how to use this camera. There we go. This cup is called Ember, and it keeps your coffee at a specific temperature the whole time you're drinking it. I love that because I used to get upset that if I don't drink my coffee fast enough, it would be colder, like warm, lukewarm. I hate lukewarm coffee. So I won this in a raffle. Oh man, it's so hard to understand how this camera works. I won this in a raffle. You see, Ember. And oh man, it's one of my favorite cups. So I leave it here at work, but basically it keeps the coffee at 145 degrees. So it's just enough where it's hot enough where I enjoy it, and it doesn't allow it to get cold enough where it starts getting distasteful. So pretty cool cup. Oh, look at this. Check this out. I just won this at work. It's a Fitbit. It's a Fitbit. So my wife has one. I don't know what hers is called, but I just got it. So pretty cool. Nice little perk about being an employee of GNTC. What else can I tell you guys? I think that's about it for now. I will show you more about my life and let you know what I'm doing and what's going on. And I hope that you do the same. I hope you enjoy the videos. I try to do it and make it a little more easygoing for you guys and get to know who I am. And I give you an updates on this. So every week, look out for my video. I try to drop it as soon as possible so you can have it for the whole time you're in class. So guys, I hope you have a wonderful time in this class, and I appreciate you. Have a wonderful, wonderful week, and we will talk to you soon. Take care.